Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how you can create a smooth slow-mo video in CapCut for PC. Alright, so prepare your video you like to edit and import to CapCut, and for example I'm going to add my video and I'm going to split the clip before. So this part. So the middle clip, I'm going to make smooth slow-mo. Just go to speed and select normal speed and swipe to the left or slower. So appears the smooth slow-mo option, just turn on and select the option. You can select frame blending to faster for generating, and you can select the optical flow to make better quality for the smooth slow-mo, but it longer time to playing. Alright, so just wait for generating the smooth slow-mo. Yeah, it takes a long time according to the duration of video. You can make it shorter. Like me, I split the clip before. So there we go. This is the final effect you have on your video. Right. So doesn't it doesn't perfect because it's it's a sorter. It's sorted. It's sort two. Yeah, you can. Yeah, it's so basically. But I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe. If you have any question, please leave in the comment section down below. Thank you so much for watching.